What up YouTube, we are back, another video here, and this is this okay. Okay, it's actually this, it's the Asenno SSD. Now the reason I picked this thing up was purely because of this. Oh, come on, copyright at all? I mean, the Assassin's Creed logo, literally the Assassin's Creed logo is the logo for their brand, just upside down. How fucking jokes is this, with the star symbol? I looked at it and got like, the fuck? And I picked this up online and I just had to buy this to see exactly what the hell is this. There's so many weird brands out there. I recently been using Drivo, great SSDs, especially the M.2 as well. Guys can have a look at that thing. That thing's available online for near about £100, but probably one of the best value purchases you can buy out there for a decent 1TB M.2 for roughly about £100. This thing you can pick up roughly for about £20. This is a 120 gig version, so I thought, you know what, I might as well buy this. I'll keep it as like just a spare sort of boot drive, stick Windows on this thing and use it from like PC to PC. I'm doing any sort of like projects and things like that. I'm gonna go ahead and open this thing up and see exactly what it comes with. Before that, let's have a look at the information. So this thing here, it says 4K extreme speed, and it says stable anti-vibration, highly reliable, can withstand above 25G impacts above 1500G. I'm not sure what you're doing with the SSD there, and it also is tested as well between 20 to 85 degrees, high temperature range, NAND flash patch. It does have I think it was 128 megabyte of cache as well, so I do like to see some DRAM cache in the SSD just for reliability and stuff. Top is secure, so I'm going to go ahead and grab this thing up here and cut this open and see exactly what's inside this thing. So open this thing up and let's have a look. I think got pretty basic packaging, but I want to keep the packaging because that is just, that's jokes. I look at this is just great. You know what, I'm so tempted just to keep this SSD. But yeah, that's awesome. You know, I'm a huge Assassin's Creed fan, and having like the Assassin's Creed logo on an SSD, I don't care about the brand name Asenno, but I can't. This is just it's just jokes. Although it might be like an OEM sort of thing where they package the thing with the Assassin's Creed logo inside. They don't actually have that, but the actual SSD itself actually has an actual Assassin's Creed logo. It's not a sticker, it's actually a logo that's actually printed onto it as well, which is great. Pretty basic SSD. It's a SATA 3 connection up top there as well, and yeah, that's the SSD here. Nothing too special, but this is just jokes. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stick Windows on this thing and do some tests, and I'm assuming it's just gonna be a basic thing, but I don't put any faith in the brand. I've never heard of Asenno. It's not like something like Western Digital or SanDisk or Samsung, anything like that. So of course, if you are going to be out there, if you are worried about information on the SSD, I would recommend go for a reputable brand like Western Digital, SanDisk and Samsung. But otherwise, if you just want to mess around, get something like this. It's £20. It's pretty cheap, very cheap little SSD. Stick Windows on it, stick something on it. You can just keep it as like an external boot drive. Again, not sure how reliable the thing is going to be, but yeah, just to see this, that is pretty funny. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Just a quick little unboxing of this really obscure SSD, and yeah, more things to come. This is Ace. As always, like, subscribe, peace out.